YouTube's new inspiration tab could be the AI game changer that your channel or every channel on the platform has required for a very, very long time. There was a time where we had to physically create thumbnails, write the script for the video, but now using machine learning, artificial intelligence, we can use the system to generate the content for us that can help us in the videos that we create on the platform stand out for the audience. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load, then go to YouTube Studio. And then make sure that you are signed into your YouTube account. We want to now go to Content. You should then see this new inspiration tab to the left of videos and shorts. If you are struggling to see that, maybe wait a couple of days, speak to your YouTube partner program manager who can guide you as to when this will be available on your screen. So let's now click on inspiration. And here we have ideas for your next video inspired by your channel. So from the get-go, we are now no longer struggling for video ideas. Back in the days, we had to maybe search for these video ideas, methods that we were going to use to create these videos. But now, the man above has been listening to all of our prayers. And here we have it. I could do a video on Mac file transfer, a comparative review of USB versus cloud storage. Let's then scroll to the bottom. Transferring files from Mac to external drive efficiently. How to use the command line on a Mac for beginners. How to choose the right external storage for your Mac. I can now see that these are all these videos, these ideas that my channel revolves around. I've done countless videos about USB file transfer, transferring files from Mac to USB, command line for Mac, terminal commands, external storages. We also have this spark an idea. So if I were to, let's just say, type something into this box, before we do that, let's read the terms that we should follow. So AI generated content can vary in quality, may be inaccurate or inappropriate, and shouldn't be relied on for professional advice. Use discretion before you create or use ideas provided by YouTube. We can also send the feedback to them. So let's spark an idea. I want to know more about folder creation on a Mac. And we can have about 500 characters before we click on get suggestions. So this is now generating me ideas on video titles, thumbnails, video descriptions that we can all use, take, deconstruct, and put in as part of our videos. So let's now click on organizing your downloads folder on a Mac. And this could be a video that I could create with the help of YouTube's AI inspiration tab. So organizing your downloads folder on a Mac. Here we have hooks, intriguing questions, problem solutions, something we can take and use as part of our script before we start to create that video, record the screen, and then eventually start doing the voiceovers. We have an outline of the video. We have thumbnails that we can click on and download these to our, let's just say, desktop. Download the thumbnail. Let's now save that to the desktop. And then what we would do is take that thumbnail and maybe put this into Adobe Photoshop and add some more information, some words, some images, and edit that image before we export and upload to our video as part of the customizable video thumbnail adding onto the video. So we also have titles, related videos. I think that this is something that could be a game changer for the platform online on YouTube, for every content creator that may have moved to another platform or is maybe using AI to create videos. This is for us. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.